Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Yvette Cooks. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe, to share, and to like this video as well. So I'm just going to show you a very quick cauliflower rice recipe. This is the cauliflower that I bought from Walmart. It was already rice, and I prefer this one because it has like bigger sizes, which is different from when I rice it myself. So this is just the package that I'm showing you. I think I bought this for like $4 from Walmart. So I really like using that one. And here is just some chopped tomatoes and chopped onions, and I also have some mixed spices, different kinds of mixed vegetables. So there's yeah, you can use any of your choice, and I have some 2 eggs there that I'm gonna use. And I just have my pan on the stove, and I'm turning the stove on. And in this recipe, I'm going to use grapeseed oil, but you can use any cooking oil of your choice. So I'm just putting a little bit of that oil into my pan, and I'm gonna let it heat up, and I'll go ahead and start cooking my onions. So I'm just gonna let my onions fry or cook there for a little bit, and just to, extract those onion flavors. And then I'll add my tomatoes in there. And I think this was just one whole tomatoes and half an onions for this recipe, but you can use as much as you want. So I'm gonna let those two sit and cook for a little bit, and I'm just gonna add some salt. When it comes to seasoning, guys, I always say that use as much seasoning as you want or as less as you want. So just use salt to your taste. So I'm just gonna let my tomatoes and my onions cook for a little bit with that salt in it. And yeah, so once it cooks to the extent that I like, and I will add my mixed vegetables. So this first set of my mixed vegetables, this one's had some bell peppers in it, and it also has some onions and some carrots as well. So I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit and cook a little bit more. And I'm just putting in some dry powdered garlics and some black pepper in there as well. So I'm just gonna mix those together into my tomatoes. And the next thing that I'm gonna add in there will be dry ginger. And no, not dry ginger. Um, what's that? A chicken broth powder. So if you've been watching my videos, I love cooking with chicken broth powder. It has like really good flavor. So that then this what I'm adding right now is um the powder I talked about. What was that again? I'm adding paprika as well, ginger powder. So I added ginger powder and paprika in there. So just add us any herbs, any seasonings in your kitchen, guys. I'm adding what I have. Then there I'm just cracking my eggs and adding there as well. So when it also, like again, like I just said, when it comes to seasoning, use your favorite spices and your favorite herbs. Like I always try to customize this to be yours, guys. So I already cooked that those eggs in my tomatoes really well, and now I added my rice, my cauliflower rice in there, and I'm just mixing those together, just making sure that everything is nicely coated. And then I'm going to let it sit for a little bit and cook for a little bit. So did you notice that I didn't add any water? I didn't add any water because what a little bit of water comes out of the cauliflower itself as well. So yeah, I just added my second set of mixed vegetables, and I'm just gonna mix those. So there's some corn in this one. So if you're on keto, please remove the corn because corn definitely has carbs and it's not good for keto. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit, and there you go, guys. Doesn't that just look so beautiful. Not only does it look beautiful, it also tastes really good. I was really surprised at the taste of this. This is so good. So this is it for this video, guys. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next week for another recipe. God bless.